Alright, this is the Lenovo. We worked on this before for password reset, and we did find, oh, we did find alright, okay, a keyboard issue, and the owner replaced the keyboard. Great, and it's working nice. Also has a stylus that he likes. That's great. But what's happened to this screen, man? Shit. Wow, that's a lot of pressure, man. Yeah, shit. Okay, that's okay. Putting all the other jobs together, he squished this one. No, I didn't even know. Okay, I just realized. Okay. Far out. Okay, anyway, it's not even worth going further now. He said, yeah, heats up when power on. What heats up? So he was putting screws back together, and display will come and go. There's only 1, 2, 3 around here. What can go wrong? 1, 2, 3. None of them are touching the cable. Heats up when on power. Okay. Well, I don't even know if this guy's worth spending time anymore, considering it's even more cracked. Oh, what a job. Okay. Yeah, that area doesn't look good. What's going on? Let's go switch microscope. So where is this guy going to? What the hell's happened there? Okay, let's ignore that. Okay, let's come here. Okay. This board is a little bit high. Okay. That's a fuse. Fuse going to ground. That's bad. Fuse is good, but resistance to ground is 7 ohms. I don't think that's good news. Yeah, no. Okay, to ground. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Wherever the power rail is going. Maybe it's a feedback, I don't know. Okay. It's an inductor to ground. They all seem low resistance, which is unusual. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to spend any more time on this. I'll just check with the owner, see what they want to do.